Here they come. Far back out of it is Prince Simba. Prince Simba is far back at the start. The rest of the field sent on their way. Rough gated from the gate is PJ Boy. PJ Boy's on a break. It's Midnight Interlude from the outside. Now Midnight Interlude made a break. Off stride, Midnight Interlude. Off stride in the back of the pack is PJ Boy. And around the turn they go. This is My Secret, the leader. Finding a good early spot in second, a local band. Then it's 2 lengths back to Jesse's Potion, third. In fourth position, Storm Winds. Coming away fifth, Taylor Tot. Sixth on the inside, BB Whistle. In seventh position, Skyway J-Lo. 3 lengths back trotting PJ Boy. Far back are Midnight Interlude and Prince Simba. The quarter in 32 seconds flat. They've trotted 3/8 of a mile, and a local band is powered up to the front. A local band has the lead by 2. On the inside, This Is My Secret, second. Moving sharply on the outside, here comes Storm Winds, third. Then towards the inside, Jesse's Potion, No Place to Go, fourth. Up on the outside, Taylor Tot into the action, fifth. That one's being followed up in the outer flow by Skyway J-Lo. Then on the inside, BB Whistle has No Place to Go, followed by PJ Boy. The others are out of it. They come to the top of the stretch, a local band, the leader, a length and a half. Towards the inside, This Is My Secret, still trotting strongly. And then on the outside, Storm Winds now back to third. Half was in 102 and 1, 3/4, 131 and 4. They're in the lane. A local band, the leader by 3. This Is My Secret, trying to drive between horses on the outside. Storm Winds finding new life in the stretch. And from far back, here comes Skyway J-Lo. That's Skyway J-Lo on the far outside, a local band on the inside. Between those two comes Storm Winds. A local band still has the lead on the outside. Skyway J-Lo coming on. Here's the wire. Very tight. A local band and Skyway J-Lo in a photo. Then it was Storm Winds and Taylor Tot. In tonight's fourth race, that's a photo finish. Tight photograph. Please hold all tickets. The results are official. Tight photograph between 10, a local band, and 9, Skyway J-Lo. The results of the photograph shows 10, a local band first, 9, Skyway J-Lo second, 5, Storm Winds finished third, and 7, Taylor Tot fourth. Numbers on the board, 10, 9, 5, 7. Returning the unofficial winner, 10, a local band owned by Shelley Steele, trained by Jerry Hansen, driven tonight by Todd Warren. A local band is an Illinois-bred 6-year-old gelding by Banderas Hall of the Cooper Lobel Bear Recoupment.